Yesterday we introduced our new series on ways to make us all, both consumers and businesses, more sustainable. The first and fairly major way that G holds its reduced carbon emissions is by manufacturing locally. Using a carbon emissions calculator, we learned that just by the simple act of manufacturing along the road from us, we had saved almost 100 metric tons of carbon emissions compared to if we had been manufacturing in China. By using an injection molding factory just 5 miles away from our office, the carbon savings are huge before we even start production. When shipping from China, it's not just the fuel, but also all the single-use plastic which is used for wrapping pallets, securing goods, protecting goods, attaching labels, etc. Anybody who has ever worked in retail will tell you that regardless of how sustainable the object is, if it has come from overseas, it's almost always come wrapped in a plastic bag before it even hits the shelves. No matter how sustainable the product itself may be, the further away it's manufactured, the more negative the impact on our environment. G holds environmental impact by manufacturing in the UK, 19 metric tons of carbon emissions saved per annum. A tip for consumers: always try as much as possible to source locally produced products and gifts. You can look for the fine print and labels and on packaging to see where your product has been manufactured. A tip for businesses: regularly review your suppliers and find out where they manufacture. Your point of contact may be close by, but they could manufacture their products many thousands of miles away, and you never know what fantastic suppliers you might find close at hand. For our full guide on sustainability, visit our website at g-hold.com/news and you'll see the whole guide there.